reaction now coming in from the National Conference as well. National Conference has backed this move and has slammed the Bharatiya Janata Party, and NC Neta Bashir Ahmed in fact has said that the BJP has, it seems, no issue with English and French but has got some problem with Urdu language. Listen in.
प्राइवेट स्कूल जो हैं वो जब स्कूल खोलते हैं तो उनका मेन फोकस होता है अंग्रेज़ी पे, ज़्यादा अंग्रेज़ी पढ़ाते हैं। और अगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट अफसर ने कहा उर्दू पढ़ाओ तो शायद कोई बुरी बात नहीं है। बीजेपी वालों को अंग्रेज़ी पे कोई शिकायत नहीं है, बीजेपी वालों को फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज पढ़ाएं तो कोई शिकायत नहीं है। उर्दू के साथ क्यों दुश्मनी है? बीजेपी वाले भी सारे उर्दू, हिंदी नहीं बोलते हैं, वो तो उर्दू ही बोलते हैं। हिंदुस्तान की पुरानी जो गंगा जमनी ज़बान है वो उर्दू है। तो इनके जहन में कब ये फतूर ख़त्म हो जाएगा इन ज़बानों के हवाले से? बदकिस्मती की बात है, ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए।
And we have now a reaction coming in from Udit Raj of the Congress Party as well, who has said that there should be a choice for the students. Listen in.
You see what happened, it should be a choice. And I am not in favor of imposing unless until it is government policy. If it is government policy, then of course it is mandatory. The citizens must follow it. But at the level of administration, issuing such an order and making Urdu as a compulsory language to be studied in private school, I don't agree with it.
So you heard the reaction coming in from the Congress Party as well. So clearly, after the District Education Officer of Kishanganj, Nasir Hussain, directed the private schools affiliated with CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education in the district to offer Urdu as a subject, what we are seeing right now is a political war of words on this particular issue.